Welcome to the Real English Podcast with Lau and San.
Oh my God. Okay. Feet in the sand, cold thing in my hand. I am physically not moving from this spot for the next 4 hours.
You said that 20 minutes ago and then got up to grab another drink.
Okay, that does not count. That was a strategic mission.
A strategic mission, sure.
A strategic mission. Listen, look at that water though, look. Tell me that's not the most ridiculous shade of blue you've ever seen.
It is genuinely insane. It looks fake, like somebody photoshopped it.
It looks turquoise. That's actually the word, turquoise. That perfect blue-green tropical color. The water is this insane turquoise. Use that one if you ever need to describe a beach to somebody who wasn't there.
Turquoise, locked in.
Wait, I just realized. There's like a whole crew of Americans like 10 feet to our left. Did you hear them?
Oh yeah, they've been there the whole time. The kid keeps yelling about a crab.
The kid is having the best day of his life over that crab.
Honestly. Okay, but speaking of, you know what episode we have never done? How to actually talk to gringos on a beach. Like walk up, start a conversation, not be weird about it.
Oh, that's a good one. Because beach gringos are like the easiest possible version. They're already happy. They're in vacation mode. Nobody's stressed. And real quick before we get into it, if you're listening right now and you want to actually practice the phrases we drop in every episode, go to therealenglishpodcast.com. You can literally follow the script while you listen, tap any word, take a quiz on it. Over 8,000 words in there. Nobody else does this. Link is in the description. Go check it. And subscribe, by the way. Like, what are you even doing if you haven't? It's free, it's 2 seconds, it actually helps us so much.
Okay, end of commercial. Back to the beach. So, you see a group of Americans, you want to talk to them. What's your move?
Move number 1. Keep it dumb simple. Like, do not overthink it. The biggest mistake people make is they rehearse this whole speech in their head. Hello, my name is, I am very pleased to... Stop. Nobody talks like that, especially not at the beach.
So what do you say?
You comment on something around you. That's it. That's the whole move. The water looks crazy today, right? Done. You're in.
That little right at the end, what does that do?
It pulls them in, turns a statement into kind of a question. Like, do you agree? Gorgeous day, right? This beach is wild, right? They almost have to respond. It's social magic.
Gorgeous, wild. Those are like the beach upgrade words.
Beach upgrade words. Yes, instead of nice, wild. Instead of pretty, gorgeous. Instead of good, insane in a good way. This view is insane. Americans throw insane around for anything excellent. The cake at dinner was insane. The sunset was insane. Just insane.
Insane.
Insane. Okay, so they respond to your opener. Maybe they go, yeah, it's perfect today. Now what?
Move number 2, you keep it rolling. Have you guys been here before? Or is this y'all's first time at this beach? And yes, y'all works in casual American English in a lot of places, especially down south.
Y'all is so good. It just sounds friendly.
It really does. So they answer, maybe they say, yeah, we come here every year. Boom, now they're the experts. Now you ask, oh, nice, any recommendations, like good food spots?
Any recommendations? That's the magic phrase. It works literally anywhere. Beach, restaurant, new city, hotel. Any recommendations? People love being asked. They feel helpful. You get the info. Everybody wins.
Everybody wins. Put that one in your back pocket.
In your back pocket. Yes, okay. Here's the part that gets a lot of people stuck. The conversation is going. They like you. Then they go, hey, we're walking up to the bar. You want to come? What do you say?
I'd say, yeah, I'm down.
I'm down. Perfect. That's the move. I'm down means, yes, count me in, I'm into it. Want to grab tacos later? I'm down. We're going for a swim, you in? Yeah, I'm so down.
So down, so down. And what if you don't want to go? Like you want to just stay and read your book?
Then you go, I'm gonna sit this one out, but y'all have fun. Sit this one out means I'm gonna pass on this specific thing. Polite, no drama, door stays open.
Y'all have fun. That's so smooth. You're declining and being nice at the exact same time.
It's the perfect decline. Okay, let's say you do go to the bar. Now you have to order something. And the way Americans order at a beach bar is, okay, picture this. You walk up. The bartender goes, "What can I get you?" And in your school English, you want to say, "I would like to please order 1 pina colada." Don't.
Please do not.
Please do not. You say, "Yo, what's good here?" Or, "What do you have?" Or just point and go, "Let me get one of those."
Let me get. That's such a real one. Let me. That's let me all squished together. Let me get a beer. Let me get a water. Americans do that with everything.
Gimme, gonna, wanna, lemme. That's how the language actually sounds.
Okay, and when the drink shows up, what's the move?
You take a sip and you go, "Oh, this hits.
This hits. Just like that?
This hits." Or, "This hits the spot." Either works. Hits the spot means exactly what I needed in this moment. Cold drink after a hot day, that hits the spot. It's a feeling. You feel it before you say it.
Honestly, that's such a good phrase. This hits.
This hits. Okay, let's talk about describing what we're literally looking at right now, because there's like 5 words for water depending on what it's doing.
Okay, teach me.
So if it's smooth, flat, no waves, like glass smooth, that's glassy. The water is so glassy this morning.
Glassy. Got it.
If it's a little bumpy, a little rough, hard to swim in, that's choppy. It's pretty choppy out there today.
Choppy. Like chop, chop, chop.
Yeah, and if there are huge waves, surfable, big energy, those are pumping. The waves are pumping today.
Pumping. Glassy. Choppy. That's an entire weather report in 3 words.
That's literally how surfers talk. 3 words, all the info you need.
Okay. Sunset. The sky right now. Look at it.
Oh, man.
That whole thing? Orange and pink and purple. Looks like the sky is on fire? That's a phrase. The sky is on fire. That's exactly what you say in that moment. Look at that sky. It's on fire right now.
The sky is on fire. That's gorgeous.
And the line everybody says when the moment is just too perfect is, "This is the life."
This is the life.
This is the life. Feet in the sand, cold drink in hand, sky on fire. This is the life. 3 words. Whole vibe.
This is the life.
Whole vibe. Okay, let's run it back real quick before we lose the daylight.
Real talk, we dropped a bunch of phrases. Let me hit the highlights.
So we had the opener. The water looks crazy today, right? That little right at the end pulls people in. Use it.
The upgrade words: wild, gorgeous, insane. Way better than nice, pretty, good. The view is insane.
Any recommendations? Magic phrase. Works everywhere. Beach, restaurant, anywhere.
I'm down. Yes, count me in. Opposite. I'm gonna sit this one out. No, but polite.
Ordering. What's good here? Or let me get one of those. Skip the I would like to order. Nobody talks like that.
When the drink lands, this hits. Or this hits the spot.
Water words. Glassy, choppy, pumping. 1 word, full picture.
And the sunset closer. The sky is on fire. This is the life.
Okay, your turn. Pick 1 phrase from today. Could be this hits, could be any recommendations, whatever clicked. Drop it in a comment. Use it in a sentence. Doesn't have to be perfect. We read every single one.
Every single one. And tell us, where's the most beautiful beach you've ever been to? Like, the one you can't stop thinking about. We want to know.
We want to know. Also, subscribe. Share this with somebody who's planning a trip somewhere with a beach. And go check therealenglishpodcast.com. Script, practice, quiz for this episode are all there. Link in the description.
Link in the description. Okay, that's a wrap. I am officially not moving from this spot for the rest of the day.
Strategic mission complete.
Strategic mission complete. See you in the next one. Bye, everybody.